Hi there, welcome back to another video. My name is Sophie, and today we'll talk about animals that have existed longer than humans. Humans have been around for about 100,000 years, which might seem like a long time. But some animals have been walking, swimming, and crawling around Earth for millions of years before we even existed. These creatures survived ice ages, asteroid impacts, and massive climate changes. They watched dinosaurs come and go, and they're still here today. You'll be surprised by the things we are about to learn together. Let's dive in. Number 12. Sponges. Sponges are the ultimate survivors, existing for over 700 million years. They're so ancient that they were around before most other animals even evolved. These simple creatures have no brain, no heart, and no organs. They're basically just bags of cells with holes. But this simple design works perfectly. Some glass sponges can live for thousands of years. Individual sponges on the ocean floor might be older than human civilization. Number 11. Lungfish. Lungfish are the oldest living vertebrates on Earth at 400 million years old. They're called lungfish because they have to breathe air periodically, just like we do. These amazing fish can survive in both water and on land. When their ponds dry up, they burrow into mud and wait for the next rainy season. Lungfish have both gills and primitive lungs. This double breathing system helped them survive when Earth's waters were low in oxygen millions of years ago. Number 10. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have been drifting through Earth's oceans for over 500 million years. They existed before fish, before plants moved onto land, and before animals even had backbones. These simple creatures survived massive extinction events that wiped out countless other species. Some jellyfish species, like the immortal jellyfish, can reverse their aging process. When they get old or injured, they transform back into babies and start over. Number 9. Horseshoe crabs. These living fossils have been scuttling along ocean floors for 450 million years. That's about 1,500 times longer than humans have existed. Horseshoe crabs aren't actually crabs at all. They're more closely related to spiders and scorpions. Their blue blood contains a special substance that helps detect bacteria. Medical companies use it to test vaccines and medical equipment for contamination. Number 8. Sharks. Sharks have been swimming in our oceans for over 400 million years. They survived 5 major extinction events that wiped out countless other species. The basic shark body plan is so perfect that it barely changed over millions of years. They had cartilage skeletons, powerful jaws, and incredible senses long before dinosaurs appeared. Some species, like the Greenland shark, can live over 400 years. That means some sharks alive today were born before the American Revolution. Number 7. Nautilus. These spiral-shelled creatures have been swimming in ocean depths for 400 million years. They're living relatives of ancient nautiloids that ruled prehistoric seas. Nautiluses use jet propulsion to move through water. They squeeze water out of their bodies to shoot backward, just like their ancestors did millions of years ago. Their shells have dozens of chambers filled with gas that help them control their depth. It's like having a built-in submarine system. Number 6. Cockroaches. These tough insects have been around for 350 million years. They watched the rise and fall of dinosaurs from the ground up. Cockroaches can survive almost anything. They can live for a month without food, a week without water, and some species can even survive without their heads for several days. During the age of dinosaurs, some cockroaches were massive. Fossil evidence shows they could grow up to 3.5 inches long. Number 5. Dragonflies. These aerial hunters have been patrolling skies for 205 million years. They mastered flight long before birds or bats even existed. During the Carboniferous period, dragonflies were massive. Some species had wingspans of over 2 feet, making them the size of small eagles. Modern dragonflies are incredible hunters. They catch 95% of their prey, making them more successful than lions or sharks. Number 4. Crocodiles. Crocodiles have been perfecting their hunting skills for 240 million years. They shared the planet with the very first dinosaurs. These apex predators have barely changed because they didn't need to. Their design is nearly perfect for their lifestyle. Ancient crocodiles were even more diverse than today's species. Some lived on land, some in the ocean, and one species called Sarcosuchus grew up to 40 feet long. Number 3. Turtles. Turtles have been carrying their homes on their backs for 220 million years. They developed their iconic shells during the Triassic period. The oldest known turtle fossil is called Nautilus. It looked remarkably similar to modern turtles but couldn't pull its head into its shell. Some turtle species today can live over 150 years. That means a turtle alive today could have been born before the American Civil War. Number 2. Tadpole Shrimp. These small freshwater creatures look like tiny horseshoe crabs with spade-shaped bodies. They're perfectly designed for digging in temporary pools. Tadpole shrimp survived for over 200 million years with almost no changes to their body plan. If it's not broken, don't fix it. They have an amazing survival trick. Their eggs can survive being completely dried out for years, waiting for the next rainy season to hatch. Number 1. Frogs. Frogs have been hopping around Earth for 200 million years. They survived the mass extinction that killed the dinosaurs. The secret to their success is their amazing adaptability. Frogs can live in water, on land, in trees, and even in deserts. Ancient frogs were giants compared to most modern species. Beelzebufo from Madagascar was the size of a beach ball and probably ate small dinosaurs. These ancient animals prove that sometimes the simplest designs work best. While humans have only been around for 300,000 years, these creatures have survived for hundreds of millions of years. They've witnessed the rise and fall of dinosaurs, survived ice ages, and adapted to countless changes on Earth. Which of these ancient survivors impressed you most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible time travelers, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more amazing animal facts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.